Norman Magaya CEO wa muungano wa NASA niwe ukoretwo ari miario-ini ya umuthi handu-ini ha NASA thutha wake kuga ati ni marikitie mehaririria ma kwihitithia kwa Raila na Kalonzo ta mutongoria wa muingi na kuhinyiriria ati ni makahuthira kiharo kia Uhuru Park ona thengia wa honge cia ugitiri gwikira mukana kuri wothe urenda guthie kiharo-ini giki.
Is that we are swearing in the Right Honorable Raila Odinga and Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as the President of the Republic of Kenya and not as people's president. So that needs to be made clear. We have no intention whatsoever to change the venue for this ceremony. As I've stated before, option 1 is Uhuru Park, option 2 is Uhuru Park, option 3 is Uhuru Park, and if option 3 is not possible, the only option is Uhuru Park.
Muungano wa mung'ethaniro wa NASA ni uteterithitie ati no guthie na mbere na mibango ya kuhitithia mutongoria na munini wa Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka kiharo-ini giki muthenya wa rucio. Norman Magaya arutire miario no akiaria na nyumba imwe ya mohoro akiuga ati mehariririe kwambiriria igongona riri thaa 2:30 cia rucini niguo gukorwo marikitie thaa 7 cia hwaini. Oho ni atenirie miario ya munene wa abitha wa borithi Joseph Koome ya guikia mukana kuri wothe ukahuthira kiharo giki akiuga ati micemanio iria ibangirwo kuhanika kiharo-ini giki iri mugano wa watho na ati gutire rutha ruhetwo o wothe kuma wabici-ini yake.
Did I start by telling you I have a responsibility to protect life and property? That's a duty, is a mandate given to me by Kenyans, which I told you I would discharge without fear or favor. So whoever, and please tell them, whoever thinks either tomorrow, the day after, or any other day, you come to Uhuru Park to cause trouble, why don't you tell him not to attempt?
Magaya augite ati Koome aracaria ihingica na itumi cia kumarugamia kuhuthira kiharo giki. Oho ni amenereirie abitha borithi akiuga ati ni maranyitirira uteti wa mwena umwe handu ha gutungatira muingi wothe handu wa ruma.
If in this country we ever relied on the benevolence of the police, we will not have achieved anything democratically. We will not even be having the new constitution that we cherish today. We achieved everything we've achieved through defiance, through resistance, and through sustenance of a struggle.
Gukiri uguo Magaya ni athiete na mbere kuria muingi gukiayumiria kwa uingi akiuga ati igongona riri rigakorwo ria thayu.
We've clearly stated, and you saw the Right Honorable Raila Odinga making that call on Saturday, that the event has to be largely peaceful. He asked our supporters to come with white handkerchiefs as a sign of peace.
Agicokia kiuria gia gukorwo na grupu ingi irarihire kuhuthira giharo giki, Magaya augite ati matire na umenyo wa grupu ingi ta uria thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi irathingiriria na ningi gutire na uthondeki urathi na mbere kiharo-ini giki. Maya mothe marathi na mbere riri nake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto oroteteraira na kumukania iguru ria mubango uyu akimumenyithia ati ni ekuoerwo makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Tumekuwa na muda wa karibu mwaka moja kuamua ni nani rais, ni nani mbunge, ni nani governor. Awamu hiyo imekwisha. Awamu tulioko nayo sasa ni kushughulika mamilioni ya vijana wapate kazi, watu wakuwe na chakula, tuwe na bima ya afya, tuwe na manyumba ya wananchi. Hiyo ndio kazi ambayo tutafanya kwa miaka 5 ijayo. Ile ingine tulifunga wakati wa Kenya waliamua. We will be responsible and organized as government to ensure that whatever we are going to do will be in line with what the public want.
Ndugamano eno irathie na mbere guku thiku nini tu mucirithania munene niwe Maraga arareganire na uge wa ati we ni agiritie acirithania kwaga kwihitithia Raila we haki akiuga ati akaingirira riria undu ucio ugatwarwo mbere yake wita cira.
As the Chief Justice, I have no authority to direct any judge or even a magistrate on what to do. The independence of the judiciary is so sacrosanct that the Chief Justice is not given power to direct the officers on what to do. So anybody saying that I have directed judges and magistrates on what to do, that has not come from me, that I can assure you. It has not come from me, and it will never come from me. As a court, as the judiciary, we address political issues when they are placed before us as legal issues. That's when we deal with them. The others about what the politicians are doing, that is their sphere. We don't interfere and we don't want to comment.
Gukiri uguo gutiagite ona aria angi makoretwo makiruta mawoni mao.
Mr. President, at such times as may be required, you must utilize both the Constitution and the sword to protect the interest of people of Kenya. It would be an abdication of your responsibility as President of Kenya if you allowed treasonable actions in the name of swearing in some funny characters as presidents, as purported presidents.
Gikuyu Huwaini, Jitago Zipora Kariuki.